these children. Lord, each one of them is loved by you. Each one of them, Lord, is sought by you. Each one of them, Lord, you desire to know you. And that's my prayer, Lord, that each one of them will come to this wonderful relationship with you that they enjoy. Even at their very young hearts, I pray, Lord, that they will find their significance, their security in you. And Lord, as they study your word, I pray that you will reveal yourself to them. Magpakilala po kayo sa kanila na tunay na magkaroon sila ng kaugnayan po sa inyo. Ipakita niyo po sa kanila, iparamdam ang inyong pagmamahal sa pamagitan ng pag-aaral ng salita at sa pamagitan ng mga nangunguna sa kanila. Biyayaan niyo po sila. Ito po aming dalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Amen.